Fast, simple, and tastes great. These pancakes are made without using milk or eggs, using only 4 basic ingredients, plus a little liquid to complete the batter. Whisk the dry ingredients together. Tip the dry ingredients into a mixing bowl and whisk to combine. Add the liquid of choice, such as water, fruit juice or other. Mix to combine. The batter is ready when it is suitably pourable. Pour the batter into the hot pan. Tip the pan to help the batter spread evenly, if needed. Cook on a hot pan until bubbles pop and stay open. Turn over with a spatula. Cook until golden brown. A little oil, butter, or cooking spray will make it easier to handle. Remove from the stove. Serve immediately. Add toppings such as banana, whipped cream, berries, maple syrup, etc.